నాన్ బీజేపీ రూలింగ్ రాష్ట్రాలపై కేంద్ర బడ్జెట్లో వివక్ష చూపించారని ఆరోపించారు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీ మాణిక్యం ఠాగూర్. ఇలాంటి అహంకారాన్ని ఓడిస్తామన్నారు. బడ్జెట్లో జరిగిన అన్యాయం కారణంగానే విపక్ష సీఎంలు నీతి ఆయోగ్ మీటింగ్ను బాయ్కాట్ చేశారన్నారు. అద్భుతంగా పనిచేసిన ప్రణాళిక సంఘాన్ని అనవసరంగా తొలగించారని మండిపడ్డారు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీ మాణిక్యం ఠాగూర్.
The chief ministers, elected chief ministers, because we know that Niti Aayog should have been a platform where the planning for the next 5 years happens. The planning commission work, they had substituted with Niti Aayog. Planning commission was doing a wonderful job, but they dismantled because it was created by Pandit Nehru. Therefore, RSS and Mr. Modi doesn't like Nehru, therefore they dismantled planning commission and they had created Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, which has become only a coffee shop story. Therefore, the problem with them is that they are not able to understand the discrimination they are doing to the states which are not ruled by them. The discrimination towards Tamil Nadu, discrimination towards Kerala, discrimination towards Karnataka, discrimination towards Telangana, discrimination towards Himachal is unbelievable because these all states faced natural calamities. For example, Tamil Nadu, they asked for 34,000 crores, not even a single rupee has been given. In Himachal, they asked for 7,000 crore rupees, nothing has come there also. For the discrimination towards the states has pushed the chief ministers, and particularly the budget has made that last step by which they have pushed the chief ministers to the wall. By that, because that kind of activity, that kind of messaging has only made the chief ministers to take this stand of boycott.